In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a StreamYard account. If you're looking to start streaming or improve your broadcasting game, StreamYard is a wonderful platform offering a variety of features. So let's dive right into creating an account. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to StreamYard's website. Simply type in StreamYard.com in your address bar and hit enter. Once you're on the home page, you're ready to begin the sign up process. Look towards the top right area and click on the button that says Get Started. This will take you to the next page where the actual account creation begins. On this page, you'll see an option that says Create Your Account. Click on it. As you do so, you're prompted to sign up using various methods. In this case, let's choose Continue with Google. By clicking on this, you'll be taken through the authentication process where you'll need to select or log into your Google account. Once that's done, you'll be redirected back to StreamYard. Next comes a quick little questionnaire where StreamYard asks what you'll primarily be using their service for. Here, you want to look for the option that says record and click it. It helps StreamYard tailor the platform to suit your needs a bit more. Now you'll notice an option to explore more features, but go ahead and hit skip if you want to move forward quickly. Skipping it for now lets us stay focused on setting up the account first. We also get the opportunity to test out StreamYard's premium features. Click Try StreamYard Advanced to explore that, then acknowledging that you'd like the full experience, choose Upgrade. Don't worry if you're not sure about committing yet, as there's a free trial available, so click on Continue with Free Trial to experiment with everything premium and see what StreamYard can really do. Once you've chosen to trial their advanced features, you'll be prompted with a little confirmation note. Just click Got It to move past this step and on to more interactive features of StreamYard like Highlight. Click on this as well. Finally, you'll reach the end of this process. At this point, click on Accept and Acknowledge to wrap up your account creation. Congratulations, you've created your StreamYard account and are ready to start streaming, recording, and broadcasting. With this solid foundation laid out, you can now explore all that StreamYard has to offer and make the most of its versatile tools for effective online communication and content creation. Enjoy your streaming journey.